Hello and welcome to the VM Series Nuggets. My name is Salman Syed and I'm a technical marketing engineer at Palo Alto Networks. In this video, we will show you two things. First, how to deploy the VM Series Firewall pay-as-you-go instance from the AWS Marketplace. Second, installing the device certificate at launch to retrieve the site license entitlements and securely access cloud services such as Wildfire, advanced URL filtering, and advanced threat prevention. Let's start the deployment process. This is the topology that we will use for this demonstration. We will create three firewall interfaces. First one will be for the management, second will be in the public subnet, and third will be in the private subnet connected to the web server. Search the AWS Marketplace for the VM Series pay-as-you-go listing to start the deployment process. For this demo, we will use the Advanced Threat Prevention pay-as-you-go listing. Click on Continue to start the subscription process. Read the end user agreement and accept the terms. The subscription process may take a couple of minutes. Once the subscription is done, click on Continue to configure and configure the software. Select the PanOS software version you want to install on the VM Series Firewall and the region where you will deploy the instance. We will pick the latest PanOS version for this demo and select the California region. On the next screen, select the launch action. You can launch the instance from the website or the EC2 instance. Let's select Launch through the EC2 option and click Launch. Configure an instance name. Choose the EC2 instance type for allocating the resources required for the firewall. Select a key pair to connect to your instance securely. Under Network Settings, select the VPC and public subnet to which the VM Series management interface will attach. Select Automatically Assign a public IP address. This allows you to obtain a publicly accessible IP address for the management interface of the VM Series firewall. Add two more network interfaces for public and private subnets. Expand the Advanced Network Configuration section and click Add Device to add the network interfaces. Select the public and private subnets for the interfaces. That's all you have to configure to bring up a firewall instance. Now let's move on to part 2 and retrieve license automatically at launch. The firewall requires the device certificate to get the license entitlements and securely access the cloud services. To retrieve the site license when you launch the firewall, you must include the auto registration pin ID and value in the bootstrap parameters. The auto registration pin ID and value can be used with either the basic or complete bootstrap methods. Log in to the Palo Alto Networks customer support portal with your account credentials and generate the VM Series registration pin. Select Products and Device Certificates and generate a registration pin. Enter a description and a pin expiration time period. Click Generate Registration Pin. Save the pin ID and value. Make sure to launch the firewall before the pin expires. Return to the AWS Launch Instance page and expand the Advanced Details section. Using these parameters, enter the pin ID and value in the User Data section. Also add the command to swap the management interface. Verify everything and click the launch instance. The instance will take 5 to 10 minutes to launch. Log in to the firewall instance using SSH and configure an admin user password once it's up. After configuring the password, log into the Firewall web interface, go to the Setup, Management, and Device Certificate section and verify that the device certificate is fetched and that you can see the site license on the firewall. Your firewall is now ready to use. Thank you for watching this demo. Please visit the Palo Alto Network Live community page to learn more about the VM series firewall.